Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list, we have four answers. A is 4, B is 16, C is 64, and D is 76. Let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 2 is O for order and E for exponent. So it means that if your expression contains any order or exponent, so you have to solve that part in the expression. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. Our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis, so we can skip this step now. Now, step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent or power of any number. So, in this expression, we have this power, so we have to solve this one first. So now 4 raised to power 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 4 for the 16 and 16 for the 64. And divided by 16 multiplied by 2, we will write now as it is. And this will become 4 raised to power, we will give the reference here, 4 raised to power 2 means 64. Now move forward. We have solved exponent part. Now we will solve division and multiplication. So what will you do if you are going, you will solve the multiplication and division. So you have to go left to right in this expression. So now we will see which is coming first. So first we have 4 multiplied by 16, which is multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 64. And plus other parts, right now we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 4 multiplied by 16 equals to 64. Now, move forward again, we will follow same rule because we will solve the division and multiplication. So what we will do, 64 plus 64 divided by 4 means we will divide now this part. So 64 divided by 16 is equals to 4 multiplied by 2. And here we will give the reference 64 divided by 16 equals to. Now move forward, we have to solve again multiplication and division. So now we have here 64 plus 4 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8. Now this part we will solve. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Now we have here two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 64 plus 8 equals to 72. So the answer of the given expression is 72. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.